When you lift heavy, do you make sounds? Do you do that?
Sometimes, but not too loud.
Not too loud, huh?
I make weird face expressions.
You make weird face expressions. But I think if you do, you get that
Yeah.
push also, I feel, right? Like,
But even when I do clench my teeth or put my tongue out,
Uh-huh.
I get the same
oh, you get that.
same feel. Yeah. So there is a video on Instagram.
Uh-huh.
They talk about different types of gym goers, and it's about how each person changes their expression when they do heavy weights. So there are people who shout, there are people who make face expressions. There are 2-3 other categories like that. There are people who hiss also.
Really?